So we are on the road. We have stopped in Coburg because the air conditioning is not working in the fucking van, and it's hot out. It's really stinking hot out. So we stopped at Canadian Tire, but they have no one available, and of course this is Saturday of a long weekend, so nobody's open. Yeah, so we're gonna have to sweat, I guess, because not much we can do. And I just left a nasty voicemail message for the mechanic who supposedly fixed my air conditioning. It's not even a month ago. And yeah, we're dying. So, yeah, stay tuned.
Destination is on the right.
How's your sandwiches? Is it squishy?
No, it's fine.
Usually you put tomatoes on something and leave it. It goes horribly wrong. You're gonna get kicked in the head, boo-boo. She's like, no, no, mommy, no. Ugh. Oh, my bum is stuck to the platform. Oh, ow, 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 ow.
You're wearing shorts.
And I didn't even burn my bum. Go get her. Good girl. Whoops.
Sign up at battlebox.com/catchfoodpreppers. Get your first BattleBox plus a free night at battlebox.com.
Been around for there for a while. But building, yeah, exactly. But building prepper stopped somehow. I don't just shut down. But you still got 5 years.
They upgraded the towers.
Yeah. 5G.
Hi, folks. We are now in Montreal. I'm gonna go and try and find something for dinner in Old Montreal that will allow dogs. We have been melting to death in the car all afternoon. Cindy, come here. Because the air conditioning doesn't work. And I've lost Stacy and Lisa somewhere. I don't know. Oh, there they are. So let's see if we can find dinner. Ooh, I smell urine. Nope. Let's look at the fountain. Someone was playing Uno. Up. Good girl. Oh, she's freaked out by the fountain. She's totally weirded out by the fountain. I wonder how old this road is. Oh, look at the line.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
All the restaurants.
Oh, look at those. I've never given her one. Not from a burger place, anyway. Do you want just the burger? She doesn't know what to do with it. She's like, yeah, because I don't eat bread. She's like, I don't know what that is. Nope. And we're back in the open. Well, we found a restaurant that allows dogs, but we're trapped in the back patio, and it's very warm back here. Sit. Good girl.
That's my biggest
Cheers. Oh. Wow, look at all that. Whoa. And look at...
I'm not sure what that flavor is. It's so good. I think it's the
Done. It's nighttime. if we'd won the lottery first. That's weird. That siren. Boop, boop. I'm jumping the fountain, Cindy Lou. Hey. Oh, there's some over there. Right here. Are you okay with
Yeah, that's fine.
get out of in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
I apologize for these long Cindy though. I don't know what that picture is of, but it's pretty fancy. More fancy than this actual Super 8 hotel. What time is it? Does anybody know? 10, 11?
1 minute to 11.
1 minute to 11 p.m. We are tired. We got turned around in Montreal construction traffic. And the air conditioning doesn't work in the van. So we're all stinky and sweaty and melty. And Cindy Lou is a little crazed. But now she's in the air conditioning. She's like, I'm gonna run around like crazy dog. But that's the end of day 1.